In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wallpapers in Canva. If you've ever tried making a phone or desktop wallpaper and ended up with something blurry, stretched, or awkwardly covered by icons and widgets, this process will help you avoid those problems. The goal is to start with the right canvas, keep the important parts of your design in safe areas, and export everything at full quality so it looks clean on real screens. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll find the Create a Design button. Click that, then choose the type of wallpaper you want to make. If you're designing for a computer, search for desktop wallpaper to open a 1920 by 1080 workspace. If you're designing for a phone, search for phone wallpaper to open a 1080 by 1920 canvas. Starting with the correct dimensions from the beginning is one of the most important parts of making a wallpaper that looks sharp and properly scaled. Once your blank canvas is open, the next thing to do is turn on the alignment tools. At the top of Canva, click File, then go into View Settings. From there, enable Show Rulers and Guides and also turn on Show Margins. This gives you a visible safe zone around the canvas, which is especially useful because wallpapers often have parts of the screen covered by app icons, lock screen clocks, or widgets. Keeping your most important design elements inside those margins will make the final wallpaper much more usable. Now it's time to build the visual foundation. On the left-hand side, click Elements. In the search bar, type in a style that matches the look you want, such as aesthetic abstract gradient, minimalist terrazzo texture, or retro checkered vector motif. You can filter between graphics and photos depending on the type of background you want. Once you find something that fits your style, drag it onto the canvas and stretch or position it so it works as your base layer. After that, add text if you want your wallpaper to include a quote, name, or short phrase. Click Text on the left side, then choose Add a text box. Place it in the center safe zone and keep the wording relatively short so the design still feels balanced. From the top formatting bar, you can change the font and refine the overall look. Clean, readable fonts tend to work best for wallpapers. Before exporting, take one last look at the layout and make sure your text and graphics are not too close to the edges or likely to be hidden by screen overlays. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, choose Download, and set the file type to PNG for crisp quality. Make sure the resolution stays at full size, then download your finished wallpaper. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next